going to show you how to turn off the alert sound on a Samsung washing machine. Now, on the Samsung washing machine, when the cycle is completed, a sound goes off. Now, you may not want that sound to go off. You do it by pressing the sound button. Currently, it is on. And when the light is indicated right there, you'll see that the red speaker on the panel is illuminated, indicating that it will not make a chiming sound when the cycle is complete. To turn it off, simply press the button. Try to hold it down. I just need to press it slightly, and the light goes off. And when the light is off, the red indicator for the speaker goes off as well, just as so. That is how you turn on and off the sound on a Samsung washing machine. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.